morning, everyone. Yeah, this is day three, and we have a different type of side quest today. Today, uh, we are going somewhere. I will update you once we reach there. Plus, we are going to do the walking in at that place today. Yeah, that's the plan. And yesterday's journal is we walked for 53 minutes and 3.7 kilometers. I don't know. Today it might be more than 3.7 kilometers or less than 3.7 kilometers, but it might be around that. Hopefully, if not in the evening, we will try to reach our step goal. Okay. Yeah. See you in a bit. We have reached my friend's place. The side quest is to. I'll still keep it a surprise for you people, but yeah, I'll tell whom we are meeting. If you guys remember in the first vlog, I have mentioned one friend as Shreyas. We have come to meet him. So, little bit of it, Shreyas. He is into freelance media work and is a biking enthusiast. He has beautiful bikes, and I will leave a link to his page and his YouTube. You can see his vlogs also. Recently, he bought a drone, and I had gone with him, and he had blogged about it. So yeah, I'm in that vlog also. So from that place, we got into a conversation about how I can do vlogging also, and I'll just link his YouTube channel in my description. If you're curious, please do go and watch it, and the vlog which I was in also I will link it in. Hi Shreyas.
Yo,
Everyone, we have come. So as I said, he bought a new drone, so he's going to practice his drone skills, and I'm trying to focus on my fitness goal today. Nice shoes.
ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದಾಗ
So this is the drone DJM Mini 5. It says how's your experience flying your drone from past 4 days?
ಕೈಂಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು.
Yeah, everyone. So I have started to do my walking, and I will join him little later. And I think his drone will come follow me and see the thing. I think he'll follow me with that drone. But yeah, it's a nice opportunity to do something side quest, help him out. I had also owned a drone in the past, which I sold it for some unfortunate reasons. But yeah, flying a drone, being a pilot, is a very interesting passion also, but a very expensive passion. Any passion related to filmmaking is an expensive passion itself, because if you're doing direction, then you have to shoot a movie, and it is not cheap to shoot a movie in this economy. If you're a cinematographer, you want all the equipments, good cameras, good tripods, good lenses, good gimbals, etc. The bill keeps going on, so that is also really expensive. A cinematographer also invests in a drone, so that is also interesting. But yeah, there are separate specialized drone pilots also who invest in a lot of different type of drones. There is FPV drone, there is large scale drones, there are small scale drones. So yeah, that is there. Then if you go for editing, then all these editing systems don't come very cost efficiently. You have to buy some good editing system or assembled rig, because editing all this 4K footage nowadays is not that easy. You will obviously invest in a MacBook or a Mac Mini or a PC configured. So yeah, these are all different type of things which you will invest in. And yeah, so I don't know, the conversation came into this segment where we are talking about the investment in different passions and how expensive it is to do filmmaking. Yeah, and the servicing of all these equipments, whatever I mentioned, is also not cheap. So you have to make sure you use all this equipment very efficiently and carefully, so that you make money. How much ever money you have invested in the equipment, you make the equal amount of money. So that is one type of planning you have to do before you invest in this. Yeah, so that's the thing. Yes, I think that one thing. Yeah, so when I started the blog and I was talking about the passion thing and coming towards this side to do the walking, yeah, I forgot to start tracking my steps, but from that side I've started to track the steps oppositely. So yeah, let's see how much I'll multiply into 2, and approximately you guys can consider how much I walked today. It might not be that accurate today, but yeah, because of the side quest and everything, we have not maybe a little bit of gray area today, but yeah,